Alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is Humira Qarea. We are starting with the basics of the Quran using Norani Qaida. In our lessons, we will learn Arabic script and pronunciation step by step. I will guide you personally to make sure you understand these fundamental Quranic principles well. With practice and dedication, you will become comfortable reciting and understanding the Quran. Let's make the most of this chance to connect with the teaching and enjoy this learning journey together. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. رب يسر ولا تعسر وتممه بالخير وبك نستعين يا فتاح. In our first lesson, we say in Arabic, حروف hija mean Arabic letters. These are 29. Our first lesson name is Mufradat, mean individual letter. Alif, read, not alif. Alif, ba, ba. Parole 1 second. Ba, ta, ta. Read lightly and take 1 second to read. Ta, sa, sa. Read softly and take 1 second to read also. Sa, jim, jim. Take 5 seconds to read. Jim, ha, ha. Middle of throat. Take 1 second to read. Ha, ho, ho. Bold and upper side of throat. Take 1 second to read. Ho, dal, dal. Take 5 seconds to read. Dal, dal, dal. Read softly. Take 5 seconds to read also. Dal, ro, ro. Read bold and parole 1 second. Ro, za. Read strictly. Parole 1 second. Za, sin, sin. Parole 5 seconds and whistle sound. Sin, sheen, sheen. Parole 5 seconds. Sheen, od, od. Take 5 seconds to read boldly with whistle sound. Od, zod, zod. Bold and take 5 seconds to read. Qad, Qa, Qa. Parole 1 second and read boldly. Qa, Qa, Qa. Same, same way like Qa, Ain, Ain. Take 5 seconds to read. Ain, Ghain, Ghain. Also take 5 seconds to read. Ghain, Fa, Fa. Roll 1 second. Fa, Qaf, Qaf. Read bold and parole 5 seconds. Qaf, Kaf, Kaf. Read light way and parole 5 seconds. Kaf, Lam. Read 5 seconds. Lam, Mim, Mim. Parole 5 seconds. Noon, Noon. Parole 5 seconds. Wow, Wow, Ha. Parole 1 second. Hamza, Hamza. Ja, Ja. Parole 1 second. Ja. And ja, parole 1 second also. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, remember to subscribe, like and share. If you have any question, feel free to drop them in comment box below. Your engagement fuels our content. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
والحمد لله لا إله إلا الله